How to remove Facebook friends in one click. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to clear Facebook friends list. So if you want to clear your, or if you want to remove Facebook friends, just open up your Facebook app like this now. After you open Facebook like this now, go to your menu. After you come to this menu, scroll to down and tap on this see more. From this option, go to this friends. So on this place, as you can see now here is tap on this, as you can see now, your friends. So from this option, you should be able now to see the list of your friends you have for now. So all you have to do now, just go ahead now. If you want to just like remove one of them or two of them, just go to the next to the person of the person you want to remove. Let's say I want to remove like this one. So I'll tap on this three dot beside his name. After I tap on this three dot, now tap on this unfriend. So confirm. So now I deleted this person from my friends list. So now you can follow this method to go and remove all your friends in Facebook. That's it guys on how to remove Facebook friends. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.